How to add reviews to your Squarespace website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a review section or a specific kind of reviews into your Squarespace website. So we're going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, head over the account dashboard just like that. We're going to select the website that we want to add the sections, not the sections, but basically the reviews for. Click on add or go to website just like that. From here, we're going to wait for a few seconds until we see the website editor open up. Now we are going to head over the website, click on pages, and then we are going to select where we want to add this review. So I'm going to choose this page or my home page. I'm going to click on edit, and as you can see, it is going to give me the access to the editor. Now what I'm going to do is to scroll down, and we are going to see the sections of the website. I'm going to add a section, and this is going to be a testimonial section. Why you're going to say maybe why did you choose the testimonials? It is because we have a lot of things that we can do from the testimonials, and the best thing that we can do is to have this section or this one, which is going to contain a slider or a slider like that. So we are going to add this, and as you can see, we're going to have a shape with an image in it and also some reviews. So I'm going to remove this because it is not going to be the size that I want. I'm going to be back here, and we are going to add this one. Here it is. This is better. So as you can see, we have a slider that will allow us to see or present all the reviews. Now, how we can modify these reviews or make them? So we can go ahead and double tap or edit the content of the section. You're going to find the elements, which is going to show up the title, a button, which is not necessary here. The items that you're going to show is images, titles, show body, or show button. Buttons are not necessary here. So for the content, we're going to see the section title. As you can see, we're going to have here a title. We're going to change it to our, for example, customer reviews, for example, like that. And we're going to make it like this. So I'm going to make it bold. Boom. Now for the other items, like as you can see here, the persons or the images, we can go ahead and change them. For example, if we have some real clients or clients that has at least posted their social media images, you can go ahead and replace, upload their files, and then you're going to put it like that, or upload it as much as you want. Now for the text, you can see that we have also a description for the name of that customer, also a title. So basically, I'm going to be honest in this part. It is not going to be something that should be real at 100% to your website that you're going to post it as a review. You can go ahead and have maybe some, of course, with authorization from the posters to place it into your website, and then you're going to be good to go. Remember, get the authorization. So you can go ahead and have the title or the review as it is, and also you can modify it if you want. So this is going to be the best part. You can go ahead and have it right away and change here the title. You can do that for all of the sections, or not the sections, but items. And also you can add one. For example, you can add the image of the person, which is going to get the shape of the circle, the title, and also description, which is going to contain the name of it. So, and also you can go ahead and remove the item from here. For the design, you're going to see that we have a banner slideshow, for example, which is not going to be that good. Simple list, which is going to be containing only the let's say here all the reviews into one line or two lines, and we have the carousel, which is going to be ideal for the or let's say here the best ones right there. So for the simple list, it is going to magnify the images, which is going to be something cool, I think, and then you're going to have the parameters set up. So each one of the design is going to have an alignment, a max columns, image crop. As you can see, we have here a let's say a circle. You can go ahead and make it as something like that, and then you can go ahead and modify as much as you want. So you can have the infinite scroll, show the adjacent slides, and etc. For the size and spaces, you can go ahead and control it. For example, like that, I can control the images or the photos of the persons like that. And here we go. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.